In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple boards on Monday.com. If your work is spread across several boards, connecting them lets you reference information in one place without jumping back and forth. It keeps teams aligned, reduces duplicates, and makes reporting cleaner. Start by opening the board where you want the connection to live. This will be the board that holds the new column you're about to create. Make sure you have permission to edit columns on this board. If you're not an owner or editor, you may need to request access from your admin first. Next, head to the far right side of your columns and click Add Column. This is your entry point to the column center, where you'll find all the special column types. We're going to add a column that links items across boards instead of storing data directly in cells. From the column options, click Connect Boards. This column is designed specifically to create a live relationship between items here and items on other boards. It doesn't move or copy anything. It simply establishes a link, so you can reference and later mirror information if needed. Think of it as a bridge that stays up to date as the source items change. When the setup window opens, click Select Boards. This brings up the list of boards you can connect to. You'll only see boards you have access to, which helps maintain privacy and keeps sensitive projects secure. If the board you need isn't listed, confirm that you're a member of that board or that it's been shared with you. Now choose the board you want to link to. You can select one board or multiple, depending on how your workspace is organized. If you're just getting started, selecting a single, well-structured board often makes it easier to keep relationships clear. Keep in mind that connected items can represent tasks, projects, requests, whatever your other board tracks. So pick the source that makes the most sense for your workflow. Finally, click Connect Boards to confirm. Monday.com will create the new Connect Boards column on your current board and save your selection. You'll see the column appear, ready to reference items from the board or boards you selected. Depending on your account settings, you may also notice a reciprocal connection on the other board, which keeps relationships consistent in both directions. That's it. You've set up a clean, maintainable link between boards. As you continue building your process, keep permissions aligned across teams, name boards clearly so connections are easy to recognize, and review your structure periodically to ensure the connections still support how your team works.